Hello and welcome back. In the last video we created the sub-assembly for the top and bottom, and now we're going to create our main assembly. So I'm going to go to File New and create a standard standard assembly, and I'm going to now place in our side sub-assembly, and that should fit in nicely, and that's centered, that's orientated well. So I can now place in a top and bottom sub-assembly. I'm going to place one of each at the moment. I know we need two, but you'll hopefully see why in a minute. And I'm going to have this as being my bottom here. So I'm just going to rotate that through the Z direction once. And I want the groove to be at the top, so I'm going to rotate it through the X direction twice. And that is in place. Oh, that can be put in place there. So we now need to position this. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to want to find the side there. So I'm going to go to Constrain, and I'm going to go to the Mate tool there, and I'm going to select the side of the top and bottom, and I'm going to go to select anywhere on the side there. I heard a little donk, so I can click Apply. Now, just to be sure, this Mate tool, if I wanted to sort of rename it, I'd call it the Stick tool, because basically it sticks surfaces together. So you notice how we stuck those two surfaces together. And then I'm going to just orientate it again a little bit perfectly. There we are, it's good. And I want to use the Flush tool now. I want to basically flush or align this surface here with that surface there. Heard the donk, click Apply. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. And I'm going to flush this surface there, that surface there. I heard the donk, click Apply. I will notice that that is all beautifully aligned. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to come away from there, and I'm going to bring in our back panel. So File, and I'm going to I want to place the back and open. That has brought that in perfectly as well. Now, as the back panel is quite thin, it's quite fiddly to put in place. So I'm going to just zoom out, and I want to find that long edge there. And this is going to be done with a series of 3 mate moves. So I'm going to go to Constrain and click the mate once, and I'm going to select that back edge there, and I want to select the inside of that groove. So it's a little bit fiddly, but we'll get there with that one there. And I'm going to click Apply. So it's stuck it into that place there. Now I want to do one more mate move here. Don't mind how, and I'm going to select this, I'm going to escape. I'm going to just select that back panel there, and I'm going to stick, again, I want to mate that back edge of the back panel there to the back of the groove. So you notice we selected that bit there. I want to just be able to see the back of that groove. It's coming into view. With that part there. I heard the donk, so I click Apply. So if I escape from that position and I zoom out, in actual fact, I might just click the Home button so we can see it clearly. Just click the little house there, the Home. And if I select that back panel there, I can move it up and down that groove, and it's stuck in place. The only way I can move is up and down. So to basically lock it into place, I now need to stick that back edge here, Constrain, stick this face here, or surface, to the bottom of my groove there. So if I just, yep, you know, just select the bottom groove, click Apply. I heard the donk, and I'm going to click my home button there, and I'm going to escape from there. And that, for argument's sake, this video here, we'll do this in 2 phases, is complete, and I look forward to welcoming you back to do the next stage.